Which is the best, hot wings or extra hot wings? At my house, it's extra hot wings. My name is Nija. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm teaching you how to make your favorite items, but keeping that sodium low. That's right. This is going to be low sodium. So what I'm going to do is pat dry my chicken wings, and I added olive oil and some vinegar. Thank me later on the vinegar. I use rice vinegar. You can use whichever you like. Then to really add flavor and crisp, I'm using Knorr's zero salt chicken bouillon. When I say I love this stuff, y'all, I love this stuff. They sent this to me, and I've been using it ever since. So what I'm going to do is scoop out, it's in 1/4, but I usually a little bit less than 1/4 cup. And because this has cornstarch in it, as one of the major ingredients, it's going to give it crispiness with adding flavor. So traditionally I used to use just cornstarch, but it didn't add any flavor. So this is going to give it crispiness and flavor. And then next, to get our hot, I'm using Nija grill spice. And I got extra hot. I think they have hot, but I got extra hot. Okay. And this only has 80 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 teaspoon. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking out 1/4 teaspoon. I was a little nervous. A lot of times I just pour out, but I was like, I really want to make sure I measure out for you guys, especially those who are really looking for low sodium items. So your girl was struggling. I'm not gonna lie, trying to get it out. Finally got it in there, and then I just dust off I closed it because I made a mess and dust off the top. So I really didn't add too much extra, and that's all the salt I added. Everything else is salt free. So I did my typical garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika and covered this up. Now, I don't know if you guys like to see raw chicken, so that's why I kind of have it off to the side, but let me know if it bothers you or not. Then I usually air fry, but because I had so many chicken wings that a lot of people I spaced it out on a baking sheet and baked on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and they turned out perfect. Now, I'm going to give y'all a warning before y'all see my chicken laid out. We get ours from the market, and I don't know what kind of chopping they did on the party wings, but they look a little wonky. But you know what? They made up for it in taste. These turned out amazing. I let them marinate for 30 minutes. I would have loved to get an hour, but my schedule was busy. I paired it with broccoli and some potatoes, but I keep it real with y'all. I ate the potatoes before I could get them on the plates. Like and comment.